Ano ba ang Remnant Church ayon sa Biblia? Una, the Remnant Church is a faithful group in the last days. In the Bible, ang remnant ay yung natitirang tapat na bayan ng Diyos sa gitna ng apostasy at pagsubok. Revelation 12:17, and the dragon was enraged with the woman and went to make war with the rest of her offspring, who keep the commandments of God and have the testimony of Jesus Christ. Meaning, they remain obedient to God's commandments. They hold the testimony of Jesus, which in Revelation 19 verse 10 identifies as the spirit of prophecy. Ito ang grupo na hindi sumusuko kahit may pressure sa mundo. Pangalawa, the Remnant Church stands on biblical truth. Hindi sila nadadala ng culture, opinion o tradisyon, kundi salita ng Diyos. Kung hindi align sa Bible, hindi ito tinatanggap. The remnant is called to restore true worship sa panahon ng maraming namimislead. Pangatlo, the Remnant Church has a global mission. Hindi sila inward focused. Meron silang urgent message for all nations. Revelation 14:6 and 7, the three angels' messages calling people to fear God, give glory to Him, worship the Creator. Ito ang special end-time work ng remnant to prepare the world for Jesus' return.